Tarbatu, Dorpat, Jurjev, Tartu. One city, different countries. History is redrawing borders. Powers are changing place names. Nations and cultures blending together. Today, history becomes more accessible for researchers than ever. Historical evidence from early 19th century to the 1920s of the 20th century that have been stored in archives are now available electronically. Maps, church records, student and teaching staff files have been converted into digital form within the Estonian, Latvian, Russian cross-border cooperation program project Cross-Border e-Archive. Over 100 digital maps of cross-border territories and railroads allow researchers to specify place names and their administrative territory. Church records are one of the core documents for researching family history. They help you track the most important event of personal life, like birth, baptism, marriage, and death. The 19th century digital church books of 3 national archives portray the society of that period. These records are the true blend of many nationalities and languages. The National Archives of Estonia has provided some church books from Tartu, Valga, Narva and Pärnu congregations. These books contain records on Estonians, Russians and Latvians. The National Archives of Latvia have contributed to the digital collection by providing church books from Orthodox congregations, Riga Grebenščikov Old Believers Church and Evangelical Lutheran Church in Valka district. The State Museum of the History of St. Petersburg has provided church books and metric books from Petersburg city and province churches. They contain data on Estonians and Latvians belonging to those churches. The 19th century matriculation register and the teachers' files of St. Petersburg University, Riga Polytechnical Institute and Tartu University are another value to be further available online to everyone. Those days, young people from regions studied the humanities at the University of Tarbatu, while the engineering technologies and agriculture at the Riga Polytechnical Institute. They studied arts in Petersburg. Special Department of Digital Collection is devoted to remarkable graduates who have made significant social, political, and cultural achievements in the history. Student files, certificates, records from birth registers, curriculum vitae, pictures, passports, examination results, and diplomas help track their activities. Every person researching his or her family tree and history will benefit from the Cross-Border e-Archive, as well as professional archive institutions. Researchers and students from the Estonia, Latvia and Russia cross-border region. Everyone will further have free access to digital collection of the Cross-Border Archive on website.